right, so here we go. It's time to fix an ugly dry pour. So my family had an event that was coming up. We had a lot of family coming from New York down here in Alabama. And you know, my brother just bought this house, just installed the pool. We're doing all the yard work, landscape, concrete, everything. We're having to do all of this. So they decided they were gonna do a dry pour on their own because I couldn't make it down here. Tied up with my businesses. And this is the end result of their dry pour without using my mortar technique. Check it out. Looks horrible. It's all rocked up, stones, hills and valleys. They over-rolled it. All these uneven, unlevel parts. And the reason is because they're up against a fence, up against another fence. They couldn't screed this properly because there's too much stuff in the way. And that right there is a scenario to where you absolutely have to use my mortar technique. And you have to use this mortar. It's 6,000 pounds. It's indestructible. You have to use this mortar. Don't try and go around. I see some people are using cement and stuff. No, you got to use the 6,000 pound mortar that I use if you want my result. So I'm going to fix this. Now, I can't fix the whole thing because they've already started bolting down this little hut. So all I can do is I'm going to show you guys how to patch this right here. I'm going to patch this area. I'm going to show you how to turn the ugly into pretty. Let's do it.